This cat, what are you doing in my garden? Oh my gosh, do I need to do an intro? Okay. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this perm rod set. But before I continue, I know a lot of you gonna ask about my lip gloss color, so I'm gonna show you what color I used and what brand, of course. Nowadays, I'm so into lip glosses. I remember a few months ago I was into matte lipsticks, but now lip glosses is the thing, especially dark lip glosses. But you are here for this hair tutorial. Before I tell you all about this perm rod set, I want you to join the family, join the crew, subscribe, be part of the gang, okay? Let's go. So in case you missed my previous video, I straightened my hair in the salon and my hair is now 10 days straight. I haven't added any products in my hair, but my week was pretty active. My hair is oily and sticky, but I'm still gonna do this perm rod set. I'm detangling the hair, and as you see, this hair is still bone straight. And no, I haven't used any heat after the salon visit. I'm gonna section the hair, this makes it easier to work with. I'm using small sections and then I use one pump of this Cantu mousse. I wrap the ends of my hair on the perm rod. Now that the hair is secure, I'm rotating the perm rod around the hair. On Instagram, I got a lot of questions about these perm rods. I live in the Netherlands and these are the only perm rods I see in beauty supply stores. We don't have the perm rods with a cap, so I don't know where to purchase these online. I think you can check on Amazon. Doing a perm rod set on bone straight hair is not easy, especially in the back. That was hard to roll. I was trying to fix these flyaways, but as you see, it didn't work. It's okay, it's all about the end result, and that is amazing. So the next day, I'm all about a good night rest. So what I actually did before I went to bed, I took a few rods out on the sides and on the back because these are the parts that always dry faster than the middle and the top of my hair. So when I went to bed, the sides and the back were completely air dried. And I also did some pin curls. I told you I'm all about my good night rest. Now I'm using a little bit of oil and I take down the perm rods. And I'm doing this by rotating the rods around the hair. And now I'm taking down the pin curls. I separate the curls because I want more volume and because the curls are now a little bit too perfect. So these are my curls, but you know the deal. I'm all about volume, so I'm gonna use my hair pick. I did my side part and that's it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I already showed you how I sleep with perm rods, but I want to know from you. Let me know in the comments down below if you sleep with perm rods, and if so, do you have any tips? Until the next time, bye! Is that my gray hair? No! Oh my gosh, my hair is so thick. I don't know if you guys can hear it.